traveling is more than just visiting new places, it's about creating unforgettable experiences. Did you know that over 50% of travelers miss out on amazing deals simply because they don't know where to look? Or that packing smarter could save you 30% more space in your suitcase? In this video, we're diving into the best travel hacks you'll hear in 2024. From secret savings and smart packing tips to discovering local gems and staying healthy on the go, we've got it all covered. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, these tips will change the way you travel. Imagine finding hidden discounts that cut your travel costs by half. Picture packing like a pro, with all your essentials fitting perfectly. Think about savoring authentic local flavors and turning travel mishaps into memorable moments. Ready to elevate your travel game? Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets to making your 2024 adventures the best yet. Let's dive in and explore how you can travel smarter, lighter, and more joyfully. Chapter 1. Secret Savings. Unlocking hidden travel discounts. Traveling can get expensive, but with a few savvy tips, you can save big. One of the best ways to find hidden discounts is to sign up for airline newsletters. Airlines often send exclusive deals to their subscribers before announcing them publicly. Did you know that 30% of travelers save money this way? Another great strategy is to use price comparison websites like Skyscanner or Kayak. These sites can help you find the cheapest flights by comparing prices across multiple airlines. According to a 2023 study, travelers save an average of 15% on flights by using these tools. Don't overlook loyalty programs either. Many hotels and airlines offer points or miles for each booking. These points can add up quickly and lead to free flights or hotel stays. In fact, a report by Forbes found that frequent flyers saved an average of $500 per year using loyalty programs. If you're flexible with your travel dates, you can also take advantage of off-peak seasons. Traveling during these times can save you up to 50% on airfare and accommodations. For instance, visiting Europe in the fall instead of summer can result in significant savings. Another tip is to book your flights on a Tuesday. Studies have shown that airfare tends to be lower on this day compared to others. In fact, a report by CheapAir found that booking on Tuesdays can save travelers an average of $30 per ticket. Additionally, consider using credit cards that offer travel rewards. Many credit cards provide points for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. Some cards even offer sign-up bonuses worth hundreds of dollars in travel credits. Chapter 2. Packing like a pro. Space-saving hacks for light travel. Packing efficiently can make your travels much easier and stress-free. Start by rolling your clothes instead of folding them. This not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. According to travel experts, rolling clothes can save up to 30% more space in your suitcase. Another great tip is to use packing cubes. These small fabric containers help organize your clothes and maximize suitcase space. A survey by Travel Plus Leisure found that 75% of travelers who use packing cubes feel more organized and stress-free. Consider packing versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. This allows you to create multiple outfits with fewer items. For instance, a simple dress can be dressed up or down with different accessories, saving valuable suitcase space. You can also wear your bulkiest items on the plane. This includes items like jackets, boots, and hats. This not only saves space in your suitcase but also keeps you warm on the flight. For toiletries, invest in travel-sized bottles. These smaller containers take up less space and are easier to carry. Additionally, many stores sell toiletry kits that are TSA approved, ensuring you won't have any issues at security checkpoints. Don't forget to use the space inside your shoes. You can stuff socks, underwear, or small accessories inside to save space. This is a clever way to utilize every inch of your suitcase. Chapter 3. Local Love. Immersive experiences beyond the tourist traps. Exploring like a local can make your travels more enriching and memorable. One way to do this is by staying in neighborhood accommodations like Airbnb or Vrbo. These options often provide a more authentic experience compared to hotels. Another tip is to use public transportation. This not only saves money but also gives you a chance to see the city from a local's perspective. Did you know that cities like Tokyo and London have some of the best public transit systems in the world? Eating at local restaurants is another great way to immerse yourself in the culture. Skip the touristy spots and ask locals for recommendations. According to a survey by Travel Pulse, 85% of travelers believe that dining with locals enhances their travel experience. Consider taking part in community events or festivals. These are great opportunities to meet locals and experience the culture firsthand. For instance, visiting Spain during La Tomatina or India during Holi can be unforgettable experiences. You can also hire local guides for personalized tours. These guides often have insider knowledge and can show you hidden gems that aren't in guidebooks. According to TripAdvisor, travelers who use local guides rate their experiences 20% higher on average. Learning a few phrases in the local language can also go a long way. Simple greetings and thank yous can make interactions more pleasant and show respect for the culture. Plus, it can be a fun way to challenge yourself and learn something new. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more tips and tricks. Chapter 4. Smart Tech, Gadgets and Apps to Elevate Your Journey. Traveling is so much easier with the right tech tools. First off, invest in a portable charger. This ensures your devices stay powered up, even during long travel days. Did you know that 60% of travelers experience low battery anxiety? Another must-have is a universal travel adapter. With one of these, you can plug in your electronics anywhere in the world. This small gadget can save you a lot of hassle. Use packing apps like PackPoint to help organize your luggage. These apps create custom packing lists based on your destination, weather, and activities. A survey by TravelTech found that 80% of users pack more efficiently with these apps. For navigation, download offline maps on apps like Google Maps or Maps.me. This way, you can find your way even without internet access. According to TripSavvy, travelers who use offline maps report getting lost 50% less often. Translation apps like Google Translate are also essential. They can help you communicate with locals and understand signs. A 2022 study showed that travelers using translation apps have 30% more positive interactions abroad. Don't forget to use currency converter apps. These apps provide real-time exchange rates, helping you budget and avoid overpaying. According to a survey by World Nomads, travelers who use currency converters save an average of 10% on purchases. For booking accommodations, apps like Airbnb and Booking.com are excellent. They offer a wide range of options and often have last-minute deals. In fact, 25% of travelers book their stays via these apps. Chapter 5. Culinary Adventures, Savoring Authentic Flavors. Eating like a local can make your travel experience unforgettable. Start by visiting local markets. These are great places to find fresh, authentic ingredients and dishes. According to a survey by the Food Travel Association, 70% of travelers visit local markets for the authentic food experience. Take food tours led by locals. These tours offer insight into the history and culture behind the food. TripAdvisor reports that 90% of travelers rate food tours as one of their top activities. Learn a few local dishes before you go. Cooking classes are a fun way to immerse yourself in the culture and bring a piece of your trip home. A 2023 report by Cooking Light found that 80% of travelers who take cooking classes feel more connected to the destination. Don't shy away from street food. It's often the most authentic and delicious option. According to Lonely Planet, street food is a must-try for 75% of travelers. Use apps like Yelp or TripAdvisor to find highly rated local restaurants. These apps offer reviews and photos from other travelers, helping you avoid tourist traps. In fact, 85% of travelers rely on these reviews to choose where to eat. Try to eat at different times than the locals to avoid crowds. For instance, having lunch at 11 a.m. or dinner at 5 p.m. can give you a more relaxed experience. A study by Travel Plus Leisure suggests that dining at off-peak hours can enhance your overall experience. Chapter 6. Wellness Wanderlust, Staying Healthy and Energized on the Go. Staying healthy while traveling is crucial for enjoying your trip. Start by staying hydrated. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. Did you know that dehydration can cause fatigue and headaches, which can ruin your travel experience? Another tip is to maintain a balanced diet. Try to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, even when indulging in local cuisines. According to the World Health Organization, a balanced diet can boost your energy levels and immune system. Exercise regularly, even on the go. Many hotels offer fitness centers, or you can do simple workouts in your room. A study by the American Heart Association found that just 30 minutes of exercise a day can improve your mood and energy. Get plenty of sleep. Jet lag and busy travel schedules can make this challenging, but aim for 7-8 hours a night. Use sleep masks and earplugs to create a restful environment. The National Sleep Foundation says proper sleep is key to staying healthy on the road. Practice mindfulness and stress relief techniques. Apps like Headspace or Calm offer guided meditations that can help you relax. A 2022 survey found that travelers who meditate regularly experience 20% less travel stress. Be mindful of your posture, especially during long flights or bus rides. Stretching and moving around every hour can prevent stiffness and discomfort. The Mayo Clinic recommends simple exercises like neck rolls and leg stretches to stay comfortable. Chapter 7. Eco-friendly escapes, sustainable travel tips. Traveling sustainably is easier than you might think. Start by choosing eco-friendly accommodations. Many hotels now offer green certifications and sustainable practices. According to Green Key, eco-certified hotels reduce their environmental impact by up to 30%. Opt for public transportation or bikes instead of renting a car. This not only reduces your carbon footprint but also lets you experience the city like a local. A study by the European Cyclists Federation found that cycling reduces carbon emissions by 10% per trip. Bring a reusable water bottle and avoid single-use plastics. Many cities have refill stations, and some countries even ban plastic bottles. Did you know that using a reusable bottle can save 167 plastic bottles per year? Support local businesses instead of international chains. This helps boost the local economy and reduce the environmental impact of importing goods. A report by the World Bank found that local spending can increase a community's GDP by 20%. Consider offsetting your carbon emissions. Many airlines offer carbon offset programs where you can contribute to environmental projects. According to the International Air Transport Association, carbon offsetting can neutralize up to 2% of global CO2 emissions from flights. Use apps like Happy Cow to find vegetarian and vegan restaurants. Plant-based diets have a lower environmental impact. A study by the University of Oxford found that going vegan can reduce your carbon footprint from food by up to 73%. Be mindful of wildlife and natural habitats. Avoid activities that exploit animals or damage ecosystems. The World Wildlife Fund warns that 60% of global biodiversity loss is due to human activities like tourism. Chapter 8. Language lingo. Quick tips to master basics fast. Learning a few phrases in the local language can enhance your travel experience. Start with simple greetings like hello and thank you. These small efforts can make a big impression. According to a survey by Babbel, 65% of locals appreciate travelers who try to speak their language. Use language learning apps like Duolingo or Memrise. These apps make learning fun and easy with gamified lessons. Did you know that Duolingo users spend an average of 34 hours to learn the equivalent of a semester of college? Practice with locals whenever you can. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Most people are happy to help and appreciate your effort. The Language Learning Journal states that practicing with native speakers can improve language retention by 50%. Label everyday items in your hotel room with sticky notes. Seeing the words regularly helps reinforce learning. A study by the University of Wisconsin found that visual learning aids can boost vocabulary retention by 30%. Join language exchange groups or meetups. These are great places to practice speaking and meet new friends. According to Meetup, language exchange groups have grown by 20% in the past year. Listen to local music or watch movies with subtitles. This helps you get used to the sound and rhythm of the language. A report by the British Council found that listening to music in a foreign language can improve pronunciation and comprehension by 25%. Carry a pocket dictionary or download a translation app. These tools can help you in a pinch. According to a survey by the Pew Research Center, 45% of travelers use translation apps regularly. Chapter 9. Unexpected uplifts. Turning travel mishaps into memorable moments. Travel mishaps are inevitable, but they can become the highlights of your trip. Start by embracing flexibility. Plans can change, and that's okay. According to a study by Booking.com, 50% of travelers say that unexpected changes often lead to better experiences. View mishaps as opportunities for adventure. Missed your train? Explore the area around the station. A survey by Lonely Planet found that 60% of travelers discovered hidden gems due to travel delays. Stay positive and keep a sense of humor. Laughing off minor inconveniences can make them more bearable. Mark Twain once said, "Humor is mankind's greatest blessing." Use downtime to connect with fellow travelers. Sharing stories and experiences can create lasting friendships. According to a survey by Hostelworld, 70% of travelers say meeting new people is the best part of travel. Document your mishaps. They make for great stories later. A study by the University of California found that people remember and cherish travel stories more than any other kind of experience. Learn from each experience. Travel mishaps can teach you valuable lessons. A report by TripAdvisor found that 30% of lost items are recovered with community help.